my life is fulfilled by this place because I think this is the role model for the world how society should be. Here you find in a more practical manner people treat equally. Make this four entrances to this temple. A symbol like this is open for everybody, maybe from any caste, color or religion, it doesn't matter. Even the foundation stone of this temple laid by a Muslim. So it's a more open society and you can enjoy the same rights as we have. In this world, everybody work for himself. This is we. Himself, then you have an ego inside. Because everyone on this earth work for his identity. No one want to lose his identity. That's why we say they are work with their mind. When you go for through the heart, so you work for other. You have to lose your identity to be go more closer to that creator. You have to see what's behind this reincarnation, what's behind this heaven and hell, where our source is. Source is like an ocean full of water. You put some drop of water in that ocean. Can you differentiate which is that ocean and which is that drop of water? So we are like individual, we are like drops. Everybody on this earth work for his identity. I am so and so, after my death people will remember me. Nobody want to lose his identity. That's why we are here. That's why these God goddesses are here. Every religion says that all human beings are equal. We are the part of that one God, Allah, Creator. They have given different name. Everybody is given a message of peace, love, brotherhood and everything. These are the basics in every religion. Basics mean when you enter in a class, first you learn the alphabets. Then you go for a higher class, higher studies. Then only you can achieve a degree. But if you don't know the alphabet, is it possible to achieve a degree? If you are not practical on that, how you can achieve a God, Allah or a creator? That's why we say this is a practical model for the world, how society should be. Even the churches are open like this, even the mosques are open like this. Then you find a different world without any conflicts, wars and poverty. So that's our small concept about this. Meaning of life is to service others. How much we are practical on this earth, because we say a lot of things. Unless until you are more practical, you never find anything. So you have to be more practical on this earth. Seva. This is the best example you can see in the community kitchen. We call them as a langar, where everyone can go there. They sit together, they have the same meal, nothing special for anybody. So maybe as any president of any country is a beggar, they have to sit together and same meal. And everybody working there is a volunteer. So anyone can be a volunteer also. So people feel like they're home there. So they can walk inside, they can do anything of their choice. So people work together like a big family. So when people work with each other, because this is the concept of sharing. In the Langar we share everything with the other, even the seva, even the food and everything. And if everybody in this earth share everything, so a lot of problems are solved like poverty and other things. There is two things like seva and like called as a simran, like remembering that God. We worship that creator or source from where we have originated. Because everything is coming from a source, all these planets, galaxies and everything. And unless until we go back to our sources, we never come out of this. To achieve that, we have to be more practical whatever we have done, like the seva. And we have to always remember that God or creator, or you have given different names. So always be attached with them. When we are connected to that creator, when we feel it's always with us, then you are in a different world. Because there you feel he's connected everywhere. And you see higher than, you feel yourself higher than the other people. You never see all these things. You just see that nature, that creator from where we have originated.